Hello everyone and welcome back again. Last video I have talked about the basic theory part of variables and data type, and today I'm going to talk about the variables and data type I will apply in the inside code. So we can see how we use the variable and data type in Java coding. So at first I need to open a Java class. Variables. Just only variables I can write. Okay. So this is for variables and I open it. So let's remove this alt comment. Now this time, though I want to run this code, so I have to create a main method. Whatever I have already told you guys in previous videos. To create a main method, this is the keyboard shortcut of neatbeans, PSVM, then tab. Okay. So now I want to declare some variables here. So for example, at first, integer, just I'll try to integer 8, normal. And then Boolean B log F double D and whatever more character. Yeah, character C. Okay. Here I just declare the variables, but I didn't store any values on these variables. So now let's store variables like a is equal to 34. So now just I put these values on these variables a, and that is data type is integer. However, if I write here 34.5, but it's errors. You know why? Because this variable I have declared as an integer, so I have to of course write this kind of number. They don't have any decimal point, so 34. And now if I want to print it, I want to print a, okay, system.out.println. So tab, and then now I have to print just only a. So a is a variable, so I don't need to put any invalid comma anything. So let's run this code. Okay, 34. Now I want to say another f is equal to 34.5. Okay, this time again, and I have to keep, if whenever I say it's float, that means I have to write f, this small f, not capital letter, and then f, and then b boolean is equal to true here, true length. So if now I want to print it all together, so Control Shift down arrow down arrow down arrow. This f p. Okay, I just store another variable for c, character is equal to just m, but I need to m. Okay, so I just here c. So now let's run again. $34.5 true m's. Whatever in last video during theoretical time, I didn't show you guys like this. I have shown like a, and here a is equal to 34. Okay, so I don't need it. Like as I give you the example, this is the product and this is the bag and this is the bag type, like this integer. Whenever we go to market, so we use different bag for fruits and for anything for like liquid, different plastic. So it's an integer, and then boolean b is equal to true. True. So I need to delete it. It's no need. 34.5 equal to 34.5 f, and then c is equal to m. So I don't need it. C is equal to m. So whenever I'm using it together, also if I run it, same output. Whenever I store the value with data type, that time is called dynamic initialization in Java. So when I use to values with data type, a variable values with variable data type, that time is called dynamic initialization. So this time is a dynamic initialization. So just now I have shown you guys that we can also store the values inside variable differently, but whenever we are using simline, it's called dynamic initialization. So now it's also same, but now I want to show you something. Like I don't want to print it like only this number. I'll print just like integer is something. So double inverted comma, because I can integer is, then this, then double inverted comma, because this is a string and I want to add it. Okay, but this time whenever I want to just print also include some string, I have to use plus before variables. Plus, this is the in Java. If you want to print any variables, include with some string or any other text, of course you have to use this plus before the variables. So now let's see what is the changes here. Run file. See, integer is 34, and here I can write float is then plus f. Float is plus f, and then boolean is plus b. Boolean is plus b, and character is okay. Sorry, I forgot to put it double inverted comma because it's a string and extra. So and now plus. So let's run it. That's all. Okay. So now whatever, how do we learn? What is the dynamic initialization, and also we can store the variables without the other lines where we don't have data type, but we have to store, we have to say that about data type at first. But is I think most short way and easy way that you can store together. But next time even I will show you another thing, like sometimes we can use one data type and we can store different many values. That's I will talk later. And that's all. Thank you for until now. See you next any other videos.